Indeed, Buddha's concern and his knowledge-centered approach to confronting difficult problems have been among the major sources of inspiration throughout my life. I should explain, to make it absolutely clear, that I'm not religious, and therefore I'm not a Buddhist or a follower of any other religion. But it is possible to benefit greatly from understanding the sources of Gautam Buddha's agony, and I will later discuss his enlightenment. But the agony first, particularly the deprivations and the insecurities of human life. Even if we have no great inclination to try to follow Buddha's lead in exploring, going beyond that, exploring the ultimate nature of the universe. I'm concerned rather with them in following Buddha's idea at a more worldly level. Indeed, as I've tried to argue in an earlier paper called Buddha and the Modern World, it was first read at a conference in Singapore, arranged in the new Nalanda Srivijaya Center, and later published there. That I argued that it's easier to draw on Buddha's ideas than that of many, almost any other religious leader, because the story of his life makes him look as if he's very close to us.
That's my first question. And secondly, the values are of course based on many other elements, but the most difficult is the patronage system in Thailand. So I just leave these two questions for you. Thank you very much.
Well, I would like to say three quick things in response to Anand's very interesting question. First, that I think that this is really quite central, the idea of culture and the value changes and the system of patronage, the system of hierarchy, which is the characteristic feature of almost every country in the world. Thailand has it in its own form. And I was obviously no insight to offer on that, excepting to see that I've always tended to believe, and that I think is also ultimately traceable to my schoolboy fascination with Buddha, that to identify a question is halfway of answering it. So you've identified the question, and in that sense, I think the real danger is when you don't identify. If I may put on my